Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy and delicious pulled barbecue chicken using your slow cooker. Really simple, easy. Cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy and delicious pulled barbecue chicken using your slow cooker. Really simple, easy. Cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So the first thing I need to do is to prepare the chicken breast. So I'm just using a fork to gently pierce the chicken, and that's gonna help when I'm adding my seasoning, my dry seasoning to the chicken. Is really gonna help it to adhere a bit more. So I'm gonna do that on both sides, and once I do that to each piece of chicken, then I'm gonna put some wrap over the chopping board to separate it from my mallet, and I'm going to use my tenderizing, some people call it a tenderizing hammer or a tenderizing mallet, and I'm going to do that and use that just to tenderize each piece of chicken. So I'm going to go through the same steps again with each piece of the chicken. I'm going to gently pierce it and then tenderize it, and then I'm going to show you guys what you need to do next. So this is what the chicken should look like once it's been tenderized. So now I'm going to season each piece of chicken breast. So I have a small plate here that I'm just going to sprinkle some of the all-purpose seasoning on, and then I'm just going to place the chicken breast on top of that seasoning to coat the first side of it, and then I'm going to sprinkle some more of the all-purpose seasoning on the other side, and then I'm just going to turn it over just so it's completely coated on both sides, and I'm going to repeat this step with the other two pieces of chicken that I have. So this is what the chicken should look like, nice and seasoned, once you've done that to all three pieces of chicken. So now I'm going to pan sear the chicken. So on medium heat, in a medium frying pan or skillet, I'm gonna add some olive oil and heat that up. And once it's heated up, I'm then going to add each of the chicken breasts to the pan. And like I said, I'm just pan searing it, so I'm not cooking it through. So you just want to wait for a few minutes for the chicken to be sealed on one side, and then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to seal the other side of the chicken. So now that I've pan seared the chicken, I'm then going to transfer each of the pieces of chicken into my slow cooker. So you just want to add them one at a time, and you don't really want them to overlap. You just want them to have their own space when you're adding them. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab that Guava BBQ sauce that I was talking about, and I'm just going to just pour it over each of the chicken breasts. You want to make sure to begin with that you pour it over the top, and you also want it to fall into the unit as well. So you want to pour out the majority of the sauce. You can leave a small amount over because you might want to add some more, so you just want to pour most of it in to the slow cooker. So now that you've added the sauce, the next thing to do is to put the lid on and then slow cook on high mode for up to 2 hours. So now I'm going to show you guys what the chicken looks like after 2 hours of slow cooking it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the chicken from the sauce, ready for it to be pulled. So as you can see, I have the chicken in a bowl, and I'm going to use 2 forks, and I'm just going to pull the chicken apart. So it's going to take a few minutes to do this. You just want to take your time by just shedding the chicken, by just using both of those forks to completely pull the chicken apart. So now that I've pulled the chicken apart, what I'm going to do now is transfer it into the slow cooker. I'm also going to coat the pulled chicken with the sauce that's already still in the slow cooker. So I'm going to just quickly just fold that in and coat that, and then once I do that, I'm going to put the lid back on. I'm just going to leave it to slow cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this is what the chicken looks like after about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna add some pink salt and black pepper because I've already done a taste test, so I know how I want it to taste, and I'm just gonna fold that in with the tongs. So that's how you make pulled barbecue chicken. I hope you guys make this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the other side.